Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray Bilirubin total kit for DSA method. In this angle, in the top view we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name Bilirubin total kit for DSA method. This is a symbol of bilirubin Bil T. This is the overall top view of this angle. We can see the front view. In the front view you can see the product name Bilirubin total kit for DSA method, Bil T. In the bottom we can see the reference number of this kit, TBI 0102, then lot number and then expiry date. This kit contains two reagents, reagent 1 4 into 20 ml, reagent 2 1 into 20 ml. So here we can see the one reference manual, instruction manual inside this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall view of this kit. I am going to see the other sides. In this side we can see a blank space. On the back side we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the other side bottom we can see the brand name Mindray, then manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall view of this product. Then we go for summary. Today we can see Bilirubin total kit from Mindray. This is a biochemistry reagent kit. This kit is used for DSA method. This kit contains two reagents, reagent 1 4 into 20 ml, reagent 2 1 into 20 ml. Thank you.